everyone, Grouchy Lenny here. Just went to a quick video this morning. I've done videos before on these mini toolboxes here. Got the Cobalt Mini Toolbox from Lowe's and the U.S. General from Harbor Freight. Sorry, they're all dusty. I need to clean my desk off. But yeah, I use these. I keep my lock sporting parts in there. Hey, Lily. Got some spare stickers there. Dice. Got some parts there for stuff I'm planning on eventually doing some challenge locks. Anyway, I like them, and hi Lily. I just wanted to show off. I went to Harbor Freight again yesterday, and picked up one of the new colors. They've added 3 different colors this year. They just came out in the past couple weeks. This is the green one. They have a purple and then a slate as well. So let's pop her open, take a look at it, and see if anything's changed in the design or if it's just new colors. But I decided I needed a little more storage. So let's take a look-see. Webcam is such that this is pretty much going to fill the screen. That's just the way my camera setup is right now. Get my chips out of the way. Alrighty, so here we go. There is the U.S. General in green. It's a little more of a darker, less yellowish green than the Cobalt case. Probably a little more in line with the green that I use for my color scheme. So I'm pretty happy about that. Alright, so here's the inside. It still has the silicone feet. It still comes with the basic padding. The Lowe's Cobalt did not have either of those. And likewise, it's still on rails, which the Lowe's Cobalt is not on rails. Still has the magnet in the back to hold it closed. Yeah. There's the bottom, the serial number. Seems consistent. Looks like they have not changed the quality from last year's. Last year they came in black, blue, and red. And they've added 3 new colors this year: green, purple, and slate, which is more of like a grayish. So I'm digging this. I am definitely going to add this to my setup here. And gotta say, I'm happy with the purchase. It was under 20 bucks. I don't know what they are normally. I think this was on sale. It was $19, $18.99 I believe. But pretty happy with it. Looking forward to adding it to my locksport desk, and not sure exactly how I'm going to reorganize tools and such, but going to do something with it. So anyway, keep on picking and grinning. Y'all have a great day. Bye.